Hi everyone, welcome to new video. Today we are going to discuss about a interesting problem that is print anagrams together. What this question states is, given an array of strings, return all groups of strings that are anagrams. The groups must be created in order of their appearance in original array. Look at sample case for clarification. Let's see what's the sample case. Here the input size is 5. The words is act, god, cat, dog, tack. Okay. The output is act, cat, tack, and god, dog. Okay. Given there are two groups of anagrams, god, dog make group 1, act, cat, tack make group 2. And let's see another example. No on, where no and on has same characters, so it is one group, and is also one group. So in the simple words, let us see what's the constraints. It is constraints are less. So 100 is the constraint, and expected time complexity is O of n into string size into log s. As log s, we can see log s here. If we see, if we go through the time complexity, we can say if there is log s, it would be related something to like sorting. But let's see what the problem takes us to. Given, let's take this sample test case itself, act, god, cat. Let's take it, act, god, tack, and then act, cat, dog. Okay, it's it's cat, it's dog, and then it is tack, tac. So this is the given string right here. So what will be our approach is, we will first, we will see like brute force. What would be the brute force? Like brute force would be we will take a string, that is we will iterate using nested loops. That would be like, it is the optimal, that is brute force approach. What we will do is, first we will take the first character of the given string, that is act, and we will, what we will do is we will add it in a map, add the characters present in it in a map, and we will iterate once again after taking this in the map. Rather than taking the characters, we will make a map of string data structure, string itself, and we'll sort it and add it in a map. And in the inner loop, we'll check, are there any characters after sorting is having the same character which is present in map. Like if we sort act, it would be act itself. If we sort act, it would be act itself, and we will check using the inner iteration. Let's, here it is cat. What would be the this string after sorting? It would be act itself, and this matches. So we will add it in a list, and this also matches, and we will add it in a list. That would be the brute force. And what would be the time complexity? Time complexity would be, as we are using, that is two loops, it is O of n square. And space complexity, like we are using a hash map, right? So hash map would be like, it will have a complexity that is O of n. We will take extra n extra space. So now let us, like, wait, I will clear this thing, and we will discuss about the optimal approach. Now we will discuss about the optimal approach. Optimal approach would be, so for example, assume that it would be same like the brute force one, but here we will make, like we will make a hash map. We will make a map. We will make a map of string. Here we will take string that too in sorted way. string and an array list. We will make a map and we will iterate through this given character. Once we will iterate through this and we will take the first character, that is act here. We will take it and we will first sort it. Okay, we will first sort it and then we will check whether it is present in map or not. If it is not present, then we will add it to the map using the sorted character. What would be the sorted character after sorting this? That would be A, C, T. This would be the sorted manner. We will add this string, that is ACT, in the map by adding a new array list. And through the iteration, we will check. And after adding this, we will check for that is God. And similarly, we will add this God also in the similar manner. After sorting, what it becomes is that is DGO. This is what it becomes after sorting DGO. Similarly, we will add it this to the string. Let us suppose what would be in the map right here. That is ACT and a new array list, and that is DGO, that is also having a new array list. And after iteration, we will check uh, is this cat present in the string. Like we'll sort it first. What would be sorted manner? That is ACT, right? AC, no, that is ACT, yes. We'll check. Is ACT present in map? Yes, it is present, obviously. So it is present right here, right? We'll add this ACT with the string given in it. Like I forgot to mention about that. ACT will be added with the given string, that is during iteration, and now it will be added to cat and then like tag. So this would be the approach. So once I code it up, you can understand it clearly. I will code it up right now. So the given is we have to return in a list of string. So what we'll do is first we will assign a map of string and an array list of string data type. Okay. We initialize a map. After initialization, what we have to do is there are some types. After initialization, what we have to do? We have to like iterate through the this list. So for iterating and storing the answer, we will create an like list to store the answer and return list of that is string. Let's say it is answer is equal to new array list. After assigning the list, what we have to do? What we have to do is we have to iterate through this map. We will iterate, that is using for each loop. I will iterate this string. Let's take s for every character, every string present in string list. What we have to do once we enter this loop, after we have to what we have to immediately do is we have to sort. For sorting, there is we have to make we have to make a copy of this characters present in the string to a character array, and we will sort and then add it back to the string. So that is what my approach is. Like yeah, I will make a character array ch new, like yeah, I will directly copy it. I did the mistake in the last video, so please check out to the description present in the last video. That is s dot two char array. I missed two char in the last video, so please check out to that. Here what we are doing is we are copying the characters present in the string to the char array, and now we will sort dot sort ch. After sorting, we'll add it back to the string. Let's suppose it's like key. Let's take it as a key. Like we'll copy that array into string ch. Now, what we did till now is we sorted it and stored it in a temporary string, temporary variable. And now, after sorting it, we will check whether it is present or not in the map. Like using the function, if that map not contains key, map dot contains key. I think you all know this. Contains key, that is key. If the map contains key, then what we have to do? If the map does not contains key right here, if it does not contains, we will add a string, that is sorted string this, and a new array list. So that is what we are doing. If it is not containing key, what you have to do? Have to have to put key with a new array list. Store the further elements which are having the same sorted manner of that character. Now, after adding, if it does not contain in the map, after adding that into the map, we'll put that character into the map. Map dot put s, we'll put s. No, it is not s. That is key. We'll not put directly to the map. We'll get the key. That is map dot get key. It is sorted, right, and then we'll add it through the array list present using the get function. I think you all understood understood this statement. So this is what basically the approach is. I think 90% of the job is done. And now what we have to do is we have to iterate through the map to store the answer. Like yeah, let's iterate through the map. I think you all know the iteration through the map. I think it is map dot. I think it's something like map dot entry as map dot entry. It's of string and array list type. It is string. Let's take it as entry. You should know the iteration through the map. It is also helpful in solving the problems. Really, what type it is? It's of string type. I missed that part. This will give errors, so you should be conscious while writing the code using map.entry set. I think this you all know this. After we doing this statement, there is nothing to do. Right? We'll create an array list and add it to the answer array. That's it. It is array. Let's take temp a list of it is string. Let's suppose it is temp is equal to new array list. It's rather than creating new array list and then adding, we will directly copy the copy this value present in the get function to the temporary map. That is entry dot get value. What this does is, so for example, in this example, act cat dog tag right here. After sorting act, what will happen? Act, this is a hash map. So what will present here? It is act and then cat and then tag. In the next thing is yeah, dog and god. After sorting god, what will be the sorted manner, that is DGO. Here what happens is God, here that is dog. So this will be present in hash map. What this statement does is arraylist temp enter dot get value. This what this statement does is it will iterate through the map. It will as we created a temporary map, we'll take the temporary map and copy this list, this value present in the this function, that is get function. This is the value and this is the key. So hash map always stores in key and value pairs, that is key value. So this is the value and this is the key. So that's what I'm doing, and there is nothing. We will add it to the answer array, answer list, that is answer dot add list. Now that is temp, right? I think that's the whole problem. Let's we have to return it, return answer. Let's see whether there are any errors. I hope it runs. Okay, it is running, that is act cat dog. Okay, let's submit. Yeah, it's running. Thank you guys. Well, like, share, subscribe for my video. Support me for my future videos.